Hey guys, it's Oishi here. Today I'm doing an unboxing video for a Coral Nintendo Switch Lite. I know it's a little different from my usual fashion videos, but I was super excited for this, so I had to record it. So I mainly got this for Animal Crossing, so I didn't really care about not getting to play this on the TV with the removable controllers. It's a little smaller than the regular Switch, which is totally fine for me. I absolutely love this color. This is how it looks compared to my other pink systems. My DS Lite probably changed colors though because it's from 10 years ago. So here's a few clips of me playing. Unfortunately, I ended up spending a long time restarting because I thought some of these villagers looked really weird. But finally I settled for Flip and Pashmina and I got the peach trees, which look super cute. But yeah, let me know if you guys are playing and who's your favorite villager. Also, I figured out how to record straight from the Switch. You just hold on to the square button, but it only gets 30 seconds of footage. I might make a video of the clothes I'm making in this game. I'm having so much fun, you guys. Alright, bye, talk to you later.